So this is a feature of DistroKid, which is an absolute lifesaver. Initially, I didn't think much of it, but I've been using it more and more, and that's partly due to my lack of quality control. If you go into this drop down here and select helpful when needed, you have this option called audio swap. Basically with audio swap, you can just select any of your releases and then upload an audio file to replace a song that you've already uploaded and has been in the system for however long. And the reason that's useful is because how many times, and this happens to me unfortunately too many times, have you released a song and you thought, oh, that's the wrong file, or oh, the mix isn't as punchy as I'd like it to be, or it's not loud enough, or anything like that. Well, this actually allows you to do it. And what's useful about it and what's different to Fixer, it will literally go and replace every instance of that file. So whether it's in Spotify, in YouTube, or wherever, it just does it behind the scenes for you. It takes a few days, between 3 and say 7 days. Once it happens, you'll have the updated file, even if the song is on an album. And that's really important because I do have sometimes upload regrets, and this is the only distributor that allows you to correct the upload. Now, be careful here. You can't make a different version of the song and upload it, because then that will be rejected. But what is accepted is a higher quality version of the song that you've already released. This is just one of the reasons DistroKid is one of the best distributors out there. And I'm not just saying that. I've got literally most of my songs in DistroKid these days. So just a shout out, if you want to try DistroKid, there's a link below that has a 7% off, which is a pretty good starting rate. So why don't you guys give it a try? Bye.